Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make one pot egusi soup. See, this method of making egusi soup is so easy and it's also so delicious. Okay, if you are new to the channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please consider subscribing. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Okay, so now let's get started. So guys, here are the ingredients I use to prepare this egusi soup. I have my yellow and my red scotch bonnet pepper. I have my crayfish. I also have my egusi here. I blended it together with some crayfish. And here is my beef. I have already cooked this beef. This is cow leg, so I cooked it but not yet cooked. So here is my dried fish and my stockfish. And for my seasoning cube, I'll be using the Knorr cube, the ordinary Knorr cube. So now we are going to start cooking our meat. Okay, so I'm just going to add in my meat in a pot. Then I will go in with my washed dried fish and stockfish. I use hot water. I soaked my dried fish and stockfish in hot water for some time, and then I washed to remove all the dirt in it. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding in my blended pepper and onions. If you don't like onions in your soup, you can always blend it like this. Okay, that way you will not see onions while eating your soup. I'll go in now with my seasoning cube. Then I'll add in water enough to cook this soup. Okay, I'm going to stir this very well now to properly combine. Then I will cover this and allow this to cook. So guys, I'll be taking some of the meat stock to dissolve my egusi. And now I'll be adding in my egusi paste inside my pot now. To all my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for always and always coming back to support me. I'm very grateful guys. So guys, I'm going to cover this pot now and I will allow this to cook until the egusi is dissolved inside the pot. Okay, so now I'm just going to mix everything together and it's time for me to add in my crayfish. I'll add in my crayfish now. And then I'm going to mix everything very well to combine. If you have watched us up to now and you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, okay, and give this video a thumbs up if you have not liked this video, okay. So I'm going to add in my palm oil now, and then I'm going to stir this. I'll cover the pot, cook this for few minutes. I will come back to add in my vegetables. So now it's time for me to add in my leaf, and I'm using bitter leaf. You can use vegetable, that you can use pumpkin leaf, uziza leaf, or any leaf of your choice, okay. So my bitter leaf is frozen. I've washed it before and it's frozen. I'm just going to add it in like that in the pot to dissolve. So I'm just going to cover the pot now and let this cook for about 5 minutes, and we will be back. Have you liked this video? Have you subscribed to this channel? Have you shared this video, guys? Please share, like this video, okay. Always like my video. If you watch my video and you enjoyed it, always give the video a thumbs up, okay. Don't leave this video without liking it, okay. So it's 5 minutes later and I'm back to turn the soup or to stir the soup, guys. At this point our soup is ready. Oh, let me know in the comment section the swallow you'll be enjoying this soup with, and let me know also in the comment section what swallow or which swallow goes best with bitter leaf soup. Let me know in the comment section, okay. Don't forget to do all that good stuff to this channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, okay. So now it's time for me to dish out my soup. I'll be enjoying this with my curry, okay. That's eba. What will you be enjoying yours with? Let me know in the comment section. And here we have it, guys. Our soup is ready. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to do all that good stuff with this channel, okay. Until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.